Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I made a video about the DigiStem affiliate marketing system some times ago, and I've got a couple of questions like this and this. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what the ultimate money machine is, how you can enroll and get started even if you are not a DigiStem affiliate, and also how to get the most out of the ultimate money machine course by DigiStem. So if you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Victoria. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me comments below, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So basically, the ultimate money machine course is an affiliate course that teaches you how to make money online via affiliate marketing and also via other digital marketing ways. This course is absolutely free for affiliates of the DigiStem affiliate platform. However, if you are not an affiliate of DigiStem already, then you can enroll in the course by clicking on the first link in my description box below. If you're already registered as an affiliate with DigiStem affiliate marketing platform, then all you need to do is to send them an email via the email showing on your screen, or you send them a message on Twitter. Send them a DM on Twitter. That was what I did, and I can attest the fact that their reply was very fast. I was replied in under an hour, and everything went through in less than 4 hours. So right now I'm just going to jump on my computer and show you the whole process. So if you're already an affiliate of DigiStem, just chat them up on Twitter or send them an email like I said. And if not, you can click the link in my description box below to get started. So once you get the link, you click on the link and then it brings you to this page where you will be required to register. So you need to put in the same email that you register with DigiStem. That's if you're already an affiliate of DigiStem. If you are not, you can use any other email that you want. So put your email, put your password, and then register. It's going to ask you for your first name, your last name. You need to pick a username and then your email, your password, and all that. So once you have filled everything, then click on register. After that, you're going to receive an email from DigiStem asking you to verify your email. So what you need to do is to click on the verify email address box. Once you click on it, it's going to verify your email, and then this is what your dashboard will look like. After that, you should ideally receive another email again, saying that you are now enrolled in a new course by DigiStem. It usually comes through within 24 to 72 hours, so be on the lookout for it. So you click on the start course box. Once you click on the start course box, it brings you to this new page where you'll be able to see this new course that you've been enrolled in. So this is the ultimate money machine course. Before you get enrolled into this ultimate money machine course, this is what your dashboard will look like. As you can see, I've got 0 enrolled course, 0 active courses, and 0 completed courses. But once you receive the email from DigiStem that you have been enrolled, once you are ready to get started, all you need to do is to click on enroll now. Because your email has already been given to DigiStem, you will automatically be granted access. So right now I clicked on enroll now, and as you can see, I've been granted access, and this is what the course progress looks like. It has 51 lessons and I haven't started at all. Now you'll be able to see all the completed lessons on the right bar. It shows you this course is suitable for all levels, the number of people who have enrolled. It has a 7 hours duration, and then you get a certificate of completion. It also tells you the things that you're going to learn. So you'll not only be learning about affiliate marketing, you'll be learning about digital marketing too, and copywriting. So basically, the course content involve basics and key metrics of online businesses, product traffic and funneling, how to get free traffic and paid traffic. Under that, you see Facebook traffic, WhatsApp traffic, Twitter traffic, funnel building with smartphone, content marketing, copywriting, and sales closing. Then you've also got ebooks that you can download just for exercise and to have a visual representation of what you are learning. Also, lessons about how to build websites, how to use Elementor Page Builder, how to create 3D ebook cover designs, among many others. In all, I will say that this course is really loaded. Like, it has practically everything that you need to be successful as an affiliate marketer. So if you are new to affiliate marketing and you really don't know where to get started, I think this is a good place to get started. You also get bonus resources that gives you access to PLR sites and also done for you website templates. There are also other sections about blogging, about SEO, and all the materials include research processes and link shorteners, copy pro secrets, holy book of WhatsApp, secrets of the millionaire mind. Basically, you just need to be willing to learn. There have been a lot of reviews on this particular course, and the reviews has been more of a positive than negative. This particular course is by DigiStem themselves, and I will say that they've put in a lot of work into it. You'll also be able to watch and learn from previous Zoom calls about affiliate and digital marketing.
Started growing, and then we started paying for classes, paid for four class, one mentor, one month they can believe we have been able to, even beyond the circle, I know we have been able to learn a lot.
Also, within the course, you are able to ask questions and get answers. So there's a question and answer section where you'll be able to ask questions. There is an announcement section also where you get updates about the course. Say there's a new lesson added, or something else has been added, like a new resources, you get updates about that in the announcement section. So whether you enroll as an affiliate of DigiStem or not, you get this same course. And this is what your main dashboard is going to look like. So on your left hand side, you see that your profile is there, where you can change your profile, add names, remove names. You see your enrolled courses, you see your wish list, your reviews, your quiz attempts, your order history, question and answer. You can change settings and you can log out. So this particular dashboard holds a lot of courses, including the Ultimate Money Machine. So the Ultimate Money Machine is just one of the courses on this platform. So I really hope you do find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, leave me comments below, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and let me know if you have any further questions or you have a video request. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in these other videos all about affiliate marketing.